Anna, let me ask you something simple but interesting. If you lived in the USA for one day, what would you like to do first? Eat American food, go to school, go to work, or relax at home? Take a second. Think about it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Leo.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Hi, Leo. I'm very happy to be here today. And that question you asked, I think I would like to see how people live every day in the USA.
Perfect answer, because that is exactly our topic today. Daily life in the United States. We will talk about morning routines, homes, food, work, school, free time, and holidays. Let's start our story. The United States is a very large country.
Yes, very large.
There are big cities, there are small towns, there are quiet suburbs, there is countryside.
People live in many different ways. Some people live near the ocean, some live near mountains, some live in wide open spaces.
Because the country is big, daily life is not the same for everyone.
But there are many common things too.
Let's start with people. How do Americans greet each other?
Usually in a friendly way. They say hi or hello.
Very simple.
In the morning, they say good morning.
In the afternoon, good afternoon.
In the evening, good evening.
After that, they often ask one question.
How are you?
This question is friendly. People do not expect a long answer.
Yes, most answers are short. I'm good. I'm fine, thanks. Not bad.
Then people ask back.
And you?
That's polite.
Americans also like small talk.
Small talk means short, easy conversation.
The weather is a popular topic.
It's sunny today. It's cold. It's raining.
Simple words help people feel comfortable.
Now let's talk about homes.
People in the USA live in different kinds of homes.
Many families live in single-family houses.
These houses stand alone. They often have a yard.
Children can play outside. Families can relax.
In big cities, many people live in apartments.
Apartments are inside big buildings.
City life is busy. There are many shops and restaurants.
Between cities and countryside, there are suburbs.
Suburbs are quiet areas near cities. Many families like suburbs.
People often drive to work. This daily travel is called commuting.
No matter where people live, they live in a neighborhood.
Neighbors often say hello. Sometimes they help each other.
Summer barbecues are popular. People share food and talk.
Food is a big part of daily life.
People usually eat 3 meals a day.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast.
Breakfast is often simple: cereal with milk, toast with butter,
On weekends, breakfast can be bigger.
pancakes, eggs, coffee.
Lunch.
Lunch is usually quick.
Many people eat at work or school.
Sandwiches are very common.
Salads and soup are popular too.
Dinner is often the main meal. Families eat together.
Chicken, beef, or fish. Vegetables on the side.
Potatoes or rice are common.
People buy food at supermarkets.
Supermarkets are big stores. They sell food and many other things.
Eating out is also popular.
Fast food like burgers and pizza.
Or restaurants with food from many countries. Many adults work 5 days a week.
Monday to Friday.
A common workday is from 9 to 5.
People call it a 9-to-5 job.
Many people work in offices.
They use computers. They write emails. They attend meetings.
Some people work in hospitals.
Doctors, nurses,
Others work in schools.
teachers, staff,
Some people work outside.
builders, farmers.
Most people travel to work.
Many people drive cars. Some take buses or trains.
Traffic can be heavy in the morning.
Lunch breaks help people rest.
Now let's talk about children.
Children go to school on weekdays.
School usually starts around 8 a.m.
It ends around 3 p.m.
Students study many subjects.
Math, English, science, history.
They also have art and music.
Physical education is common too.
Children eat lunch at school.
From home or the cafeteria.
After school, children go home.
They do homework. They practice lessons.
Many children ride yellow school buses.
Some parents drive them.
What do people do in their free time?
Sports are very popular.
American football, baseball, basketball.
Many people watch games on TV.
Weekends are for rest and fun.
People go to parks. They walk dogs. They ride bikes.
Families visit friends.
They eat together. They talk. They play games.
Movies are popular.
At the cinema or at home.
People also enjoy hobbies.
Reading, cooking, gardening, playing music.
Free time helps people relax. Holidays are important in the USA. Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving is in November.
Families gather for dinner.
Turkey is the main food.
People feel thankful. Christmas.
Christmas is in December.
Homes are decorated.
Families exchange gifts.
Children love Christmas morning. Other holidays.
New Year's Day, Independence Day.
Fireworks are common.
Summer barbecues are popular.
These holidays bring people together. So today, we explored daily life in the USA.
How people greet each other, where they live, what they eat.
Work, school, free time.
Holidays and family moments.
Daily life can be busy, but also warm and social. Now it's your turn. Question of the day. Which part of daily life in the USA do you like most? Food, free time, holidays, or family life?
Write 1 or 2 simple sentences in English.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Learning step by step is perfect.
Thank you for listening today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this podcast.
Subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories for more real-life English. Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.